I'm back with another video, man. Today about to be exclusive, man. Head to the dealership, man. I got my Camaro back a little while ago. I was gonna go get my stuff repaired and all that, but I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm just getting ready to go test my luck, man. I'm looking at something, like I said, exclusive. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'll show y'all. We're gonna talk a little more if the deal go down, how I want to go. I'll let y'all know if it happened or if it didn't happen. And if it don't happen, I'm gonna still show y'all the car so y'all can know what I was getting ready to do. But just stay tuned. Made it to the dealership, man. This is it right here. Yes. Red eye, red key.
What was your last name, Curtis?
Dandridge. Yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure. Give me this couple minutes. I'll go out take a look at your car real quick.
Alrighty. So yeah, man, they about to take a look at my car. I'm ready to trade this bad boy in. Come get this, man. Get some paperwork. Get finance. We're gonna be good to go. Whew. Stay tuned. Alright, man, so we running the credit and stuff right now, man. I'm actually going to take a big leap of faith, you know, and just going around with it, man. See how we come out, man. Hopefully we get this bad boy, you know. Like I said, I'm jumping out the window, but you ain't live once, so why not, you know? Y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So we got good news. Good news is I was approved, and my bad, I dropped something. Well, I was approved, so we're just waiting to finish up paperwork and stuff and get some stuff in order, and hopefully we can leave with this bad boy today. But you know, I'm just happy right now. But it's your boy J Nation 1, and I'm about to check out with another video, but I'm gonna give y'all another look at this car. Look through the window, hopefully y'all can see it. It's your boy J Nation 1, like I said, and I'm out.